time for another giveaway. I tell you what, I'm feeling so generous these days. I am giving away actually, you know what? I was only going to give away a single pair of my new favorite travel scissors, but I think I'll give away 2 pair. I love these for travel. It has a little case that stays on your scissors. It's attached by a little piece of elastic here, and it protects you from that sharp point on the scissors. The scissors work fabulous for fire line, for cutting fine gauge wire, 20 gauge and finer. You can cut your Beadalon or your soft flex with it, and I have not had any dulling of these scissors at all. So it's a super fabulous thing to have in your beading kit, and because of this cover on the tip there, I take this everywhere I go with traveling. So 2 lucky people will win. Stay tuned to find out what you need to do and when you need to do it. Good luck.